Welcome to the second video in audio editing tutorial using Audacity. The first step in doing any edit is to open up a file, and I've already done that here. But simply go up to File, Open, and you can select from your desktop, or if you're looking at doing a brand new audio, say you're wanting to record your voice, you go up to New, and it'll open up a brand new document. Alright, so let's get started looking at this audio file that we have in front of us. Now, whenever I'm going in and editing a file, I don't like to chop everything right off the bat. I like to go in and use what is called silencing. So, for example, we know the first 10 minutes or so, as you can see here in this file, I'm going to highlight this section, there pretty much is nothing recorded. And this is because we usually set the teleseminar about 10 minutes early and about 10 minutes late. So what I'm going to do is, you can notice right at the very beginning, I'm going to go up to Generate, and I'm going to click Silence. And that entire line is going to go flat. So pay attention to the very front of it where 0 is. There's a bit of interference there. And let's give it a moment here. And you will notice in just 1 second, it's actually everything's going to be made as 0. There we go. Everything is at 0. Now, the reason why I do that is I go through and edit. Say, for example, for an hour-long teleseminar, you know that there's about 4 different sections that you want to take that audio out. Now, if you were to actually cut that audio out without silencing it, it would redistribute the timestamp. So what was minute 30 before you edited probably would be a different number, so your counting would go off. So to keep track, just for your own sake, to keep track of everything, do silencing and then go back and edit all those out. So let's say, for example, I'm going to make this a bit bigger as we learned in section 1. I'm going to zoom in just a bit so we can have a little more detail in our audio file here. So looking at this, let's just pick arbitrarily out from minute 15 to about minute 18. I want to take that piece out. So I'm going to go in at minute 15, I'm going to click with my mouse, and then I'm going to pull the mouse towards minute 18. Just match it up. Alright, I'm going to release that. I'm going to go up to Generate, click Silence, click Generate Silence, and give it just a few moments while the program processes, and as you can see, it just took all that audio out and made it one flat line. Alright, so now, say you went through and you did all that to every single piece of your audio where you wanted to take any of the content out. So we're going to go back. We're going to start at the very beginning. I'm going to actually make this a little bit closer here. Alrighty, so I'm going to start by taking out that piece that we edited out in the very beginning of the audio. I'm going to File, or I'm going to click, and then I'm going to drag my mouse to the left. I'm going to go up to Edit, and I'm going to Cut. Once again, just give it a moment while there we go, and it took the audio out. Alright, we're going to go back into that section that we just silenced, and we're going to highlight that whole piece here. I'm going to go up to Edit, and I'm going to select Cut. You can see here. Alright, I'm going to select Cut. Alrighty, and that is as simple as it gets to edit audio using Audacity. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do some effects such as normalizing and fading in and out.